Okay, this is a video for Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square, looking at the soaping of the first page. Okay, I'm going to put a track along in the background, and we just want to try and get these rhythms a bit more solid first with the right bowing so that we can then play more freely. Okay, so try soaping along, following your music. We start in the middle of the bow, up, down, up, slow, quick, slow, T-ta, T-ta, up, down, save, and stay there, tick-a-tee-ta, quick, slow, save, up, down, up, tick-a-tick-a-ta, 1, 2, 3, tick-a, 1, 2, ta, T-ta, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, T-ta, T, 1, 2, 3, T-ta, tick-a, 1, 2, 3, tick-a, T, up, down, down, up, another up, down, up, 2, 3, T, tick-a-ta, tum, T-ta, ta, 1, 2. Okay, it's quite a large passage of music that, but all sorts of complicated rhythms. So the more you listen to it, get the soaping sorted without the fingers, then you can focus on the shifts and things. So I do this quite a few times, listening a lot, following along, seeing when you're not matching up with the bowing as well, because there's a few sneaky up bows a couple of times where we're going to leave our bow right at the tip and do a little down up as well, like in bar 5, maybe bar 15 as well. Yeah, okay, so have fun with that soaping.